Namaste bachcho. Today let's start this class with a new chapter number 10, that is part 10, and the name of the chapter is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So you all must be familiar with this name, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our country, that is after independence, and children with love and respect calls him Chacha Nehru, and his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. So let's read this chapter to know more about him. So we'll continue from page number 30, and here the first paragraph says, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू का जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 को इलाहाबाद प्रयाग में हुआ था. This means that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad, Prayag. उनके पिता पंडित मोतीलाल नेहरू अपने समय के प्रसिद्ध वकील थे. So उनके पिता means his father, अपने means his, समय means time, prasidh means famous, vakil means advocate. So the meaning is his father Pandit Motilal Nehru was a famous lawyer of his time. नेहरू जी की प्रारंभिक शिक्षा घर पर ही हुई. Here प्रारंभिक means early, शिक्षा means education. So Nehru ji's early education took place at home. वे उच्च शिक्षा प्राप्त करने इंग्लैंड गए. Here उच्च means higher, शिक्षा means education, and प्राप्त means to attain. So he went to England for his higher studies. Next line, वहाँ से बैरिस्टर बनकर वे भारत लौटे और अपने पिताजी के साथ प्रयाग में ही वकालत करने लगे. So here barrister means a legal practitioner whose main function is to practice advocacy in court, and the word lote means returned. It means that from there he returned to India as a barrister and started practicing law in Prayag with his father. Next paragraph, सन 1915 में उन्होंने राजनीति में प्रवेश किया. So here Rajniti means politics, Pravesh means entered. So in the year 1915 he entered into politics. सन 1916 में उनका विवाह श्रीमती कमला नेहरू के साथ संपत्र हुआ. So here विवाह means marriage. So in the year 1916 he got married to Mrs. Kamala Nehru. और 1917 में पुत्री इंदिरा ने जन्म लिया. So here Putri means daughter. So in the year 1917, daughter Indira was born. Next line, कुछ दिन पश्चात वे कांग्रेस के सदस्य बन गए और फिर महात्मा गांधी के नेतृत्व में देश की सेवा के कार्य में लग गए. So here the word कुछ दिन means few days, पश्चात means after, सदस्य means member, नेतृत्व means leadership, seva means service, karya means work. This means that after few days he became the member of Congress, and under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi he got engaged in serving the country. Next paragraph, 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत देश स्वतंत्र हो गया. स्वतंत्र means got independent. So here the meaning is India became independent on 15th August 1947. तब वे सर्वसम्मति से भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री बने. Here प्रथम means first. So after that he became the first prime minister और जीवन के अंत तक इसी पद पर बने रहे. Here जीवन का अंत means end of his life. This means that till the end of his life he remained in this position. Next paragraph, नेहरू जी एक अच्छे लेखक भी थे. Here लेखक means writer. So Nehru ji was also a good writer. Here मेरी कहानी, भारत की कहानी, विश्व इतिहास की झलक आदि उनकी रचित अनेक पुस्तकें हैं. Here पुस्तकें means books. So these are the names of the books. That is मेरी कहानी, my story, भारत की कहानी, इंडिया स्टोरी, विश्व इतिहास की झलक, दैट इज ग्लिम्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री. So these are some of the books written by पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. नेक्स्ट लाइन, पंडित नेहरू बच्चों को बहुत प्यार करते थे. सो पंडित नेहरू ही लव्ड किड्स, इसलिए बच्चे उन्हें आदर और प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कहकर पुकारते थे. हियर द वर्ड आदर मीन्स रिस्पेक्ट, प्यार मीन्स लव, पुकारते थे मीन्स दे यूज्ड टू कॉल. सो children with love and respect, they used to call Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as चाचा नेहरू. नेक्स्ट लाइन, उनके जन्मदिन को बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है. सो हियर जन्मदिन मीन्स बर्थडे, बाल दिवस मीन्स चिल्ड्रंस डे. सो हिज बर्थडे इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज चिल्ड्रंस डे. नेक्स्ट लाइन, वह शांति का अग्रदूत 27 मई 1964 को हमसे सदा के लिए विदा हो गया. सो हियर अग्रदूत मीन्स द फॉररनर ऑफ पीस, and the word sada means forever and vida means left. So he left us on 27th May 1964. उनका नाम चिरकाल तक इतिहास में अमर रहेगा. So here उनका नाम means his name. चिरकाल means till eternity, that is forever. Itihas word means history and Amar means immortal. So the meaning is his name will remain immortal in history till eternity. So this was the chapter about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he was the first Prime Minister of our country. Now next you can see Shabdarth means word meaning. So here few words are there with their meaning. The first one is Janma. Janma means birth. Prasidh means famous. Siksha means education. Rajniti means politics. Next one, Vivah. Vivah means marriage. Sadasya means member. Netrit means leadership. Pad means designation. Itihas means history. So this was the word meaning. Now next you have an activity. You have to read the first 5 lines of this chapter, record it and submit in team. Also you need to write the word meaning in your Hindi notebook. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.